Hi guys, are you looking for a way to grow healthy hair with ALOE VERA? This video is for you. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Now let's delve into it. Today we are using fenugreek powder as a hair mask. You know, sometimes you're there, your hair starts breaking, you really don't know what's going on, you really don't know what's wrong with it. It starts breaking without giving you any signs. Maybe sometimes it's internal, other times it is external. And external, I mean that maybe you are not eating healthy, maybe you are just not doing some things. I mean, that is the internal factor. But then in this video, I'm showing you how to use fenugreek and other herbs to grow healthy hair using it as a mask. So I'm using fenugreek powder, henna powder, and neem powder. I use 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, 1 tablespoon of henna powder, and then 1 tablespoon of neem powder. It's important to make sure you're using them in a finest paste, because if you don't, you're going to have a lot of residue in your hair. I added my clove water. This is my DIY clove and rosemary water that I've been spraying on my scalp. So I added it. You have to add it in bits and pieces so that it doesn't become so light at a go. So once you add it, it keeps taking it up small, and then you follow up with more water as time goes on. So fenugreek powder is very good for the hair. Studies have shown that fenugreek can exhibit a significant reduction in hair fall and promote new hair growth when you take it as an oral dose a day for 6 months. So you can take fenugreek internally and externally. When the video started, I said that hair growth is both internal and external. So you can take fenugreek as internal or external. You can also use fenugreek to thicken your hair, like what I'm doing in this video, using it as a mask. Fenugreek contains so many nutrients that really help thicken your hair, but you have to be consistent with it. It helps stimulate hair growth with consistent use, and you should start to see change in not only growth but shine and texture too. Within 2 to 3 months or 3 to 4 months, you'll be able to see a significant change in your hair growth. So herbs is not usually a one-time fix that will go and come back. You have to use them consistently in order to see great results and great change. You can use fenugreek as an oil, you can use it as a spray, and you can use it as a mask like I'm doing in this video. My next ingredient was neem. Neem helps in clearing dandruff. Like if you have dandruff on your scalp, if you know me, you know that I'm battling with dandruff, and I can say that I'm way ahead of any challenge that dandruff wants to bring to me. Like I have really done my best in taking care of my dandruff. It helps in cleansing the scalp, treating lice, conditioning the hair, strengthening the hair follicles, besides adding volume and shine to the hair. Moreover, more use of neem powder or neem on the hair will promote your hair and maintain a healthy scalp that will help your hair grow longer and stronger. Yes, and our last ingredient was henna powder. Guys, if you haven't used henna before, henna is not just used for coloring the skin. You can use it to promote your hair growth. Henna powder can be used to create an essential oil that nourishes and encourages hair growth. You can use it as a spray, you can use it as a mask. What we usually use it as is as a mask. Using henna for your hair helps reduce excessive hair fall and cures dandruff. It is also used for accelerating hair growth and improving its texture. So this is me applying these products in my hair. It was a bit slimy because of the fenugreek. When you soak fenugreek and when you boil fenugreek, it gives you some slimy consistency. So it was a bit slimy. Guys, when I was applying this on my hair, I was a bit scared. Like, I'm not even lying to you, I was a bit scared because this is the first time I'm applying something like this on my hair. So I was just like nervous and all that. But I applied it and I could see that, wow, my hair was feeling different. Like, my hair was really feeling different. I was like, this is not my hair. This is not my frosty hair. I really liked how my hair felt. So I'm definitely going to do this treatment again. You can make it a bit light if you want. You could notice that I covered it for a while, for about 15 minutes before applying it on my hair. When I did that, it allowed the nutrient to infuse properly before entering my hair. Yes, so you can just prepare it, allow it to infuse a bit and becomes thicker before you apply it into your hair. My next application, I'm going to make it a bit lighter rather than this one, which is really thick and almost like a paste. I'd rather it is a bit light and it doesn't feel so heavy on my hair. Yeah, but all the same, I really like the results that I love the results that I got so much, and I'm definitely going to do it again. You need to make sure the treatment reaches your scalp and then your ends. Your scalp, because it's a scalp detox, it's going to detoxify your scalp. It's going to get rid of all the the excess oils that have been laying on your scalp. And your ends, because they are the oldest part of your hair, they need some nutrients. You could tell that I was very excited. Like, I was really excited. I'm like, wow, how was I even scared to try this treatment? And I was dancing right there. So I'm going to do this again and again because I love the treatment. The reason I said that I'm going to make it lighter in my next application is because I realized that because it was so thick, it wasn't really going into my hair very well. I have to always consciously make sure that it has gone to a particular part. Yeah, so but when it's light, I believe that it will be easy for me to just apply it on my scalp, even using an applicator bottle. So that is what I'll be trying my next time. But then all the same, I got some incredible results that I wish that you'd be able to do this. So guys, if you haven't used Ayurveda on your hair before, this is your sign to use Ayurveda. If you follow me, you know that I have been battling with dandruff, and it's crazy how I have been able to solve this dandruff issue. And you can also be able to, stay ahead of the dandruff game and then solve everything with Ayurveda. Yes, stay on this page because everything I do is using Ayurveda on my hair. When you watch this video very well, you know that some part of my roots didn't receive the treatment, which I really regret now that I'm watching the video, because the application or the mask was so thick that it couldn't really go down into my hair unless I am able to detect it faster. So right after here, I wore my shower cap. If you don't have a shower cap, you can just use a rubber or a plastic cap to just tie your hair, just to trap in the heat. And if you don't have a steamer cap, you'd have to wear this for about an hour or two in order to trap the heat and strengthen the hair strands. If you have a steamer cap, you can just do this for about 15 minutes and you are good to go. So this is my hair 15 minutes later under the steamer cap. I think it was 10 minutes later under the steamer cap. And see the dry hair that has become so moist and that has become so curly. I'm like, is this my hair? Do I really have all these curls? Like, I'm like, whoa. Because if you don't try certain treatments like clay mask, you wouldn't really know that you have a curl pattern. You wouldn't really know your hair is 4C. So guys, yes, I'm rooting for you. You can grow your hair as long as you want with herbs, with Ayurveda, with so many different types of hairs. If you are confused, please send me a message and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we just got started. My name is Lydia once again, and if you are new to the channel, thank you for passing by.